thousands of hotels in the world, and one of the companies that rates them is Forbes, and they give 1 to 5 stars to their hotels. There are only 339 5-star hotels worldwide, according to Forbes. And guess what? I got to stay in one of them over Christmas. Hi, I'm Sandy from Sandy Over 70. Welcome to my channel. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already, and if you enjoy this video, please click the like button. So how did this happen? Well, I went with a local tour company called Globetreks that specializes in luxury touring for seniors. It was a 4-night, 5-day visit to the sanctuary at Kiawah Island Golf Resort. This is located about 45 minutes from Charleston, South Carolina. This 5-star hotel has 255 rooms, and it pampers its guests with old world charm and attentive service. It is a rare experience to stay there. When you first see the building itself, it looks like it might have been there on the ocean for 100 years, but it was actually built only 20 years ago with the purpose of looking old. It is set on the 10,000-acre private island called Kiawah Island, which is known for its golf courses and sumptuous dining and spas and pristine natural surroundings. The roads are canopied with moss-draped live oak trees along quiet country roads. The building itself is an architectural gem marked by high ceilings, hand-painted murals, antique furnishings, and beautiful artwork. Now I'm going to walk you through this magnificent hotel. I've done a separate video just on our room, and I will put the link in the description below and at the end of this video. The main entrance to the sanctuary, and notice all the golf clubs there. I wonder if anyone's crazy enough to go golfing today. It's in the 30s. We've just arrived at the sanctuary on Kiawah Island, and we're about to enter. I imagine it's decorated for Christmas beautifully. Let's see what we have here. Santa's shop. Very pretty. Down here is one of the beautiful staircases. I remember this from a couple of years ago when I was here. And then there's also one in the other direction. Let's see what's behind this door. It looked like maybe there was a gym at the end of this hall, but it's certainly rather hidden away. Looks like I found the gem. Well, this is good to know. It was really kind of hidden down a long corridor. Very nice gem for a resort. Usually they're much smaller than this. Beautiful. This is the spa. Breakfast is in the same restaurant where we had dinner, and you have a choice of eating off the menu or a delicious buffet. This is the cafe, and it's only open till 3, but it has some delicious scones. Ooh, look at those. And snacks, sandwiches, and things like that.
This is great.
Now let's go outside. Look at this, there's flowers in bloom. I don't know what those are. They're very colorful. Some more flowers. I wonder what they are. Do you think they're snapdragons? This is the boardwalk to the beach. And it's built up quite a bit with dunes to protect this area from the ocean. I hear the sound of the waves. What a beautiful place to spend Christmas Eve. If you enjoyed this tour, please click the like button. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.